You've invested in a Mercedes-Benz, not just any car, but a symbol of luxury, power, and precision engineering. But ask yourself this: how many Mercedes owners actually know the real secrets to make their car last forever? Most don't. They think it's just about regular oil changes or basic maintenance. Wrong. So wrong, it hurts your car's lifespan every day you neglect these hidden truths. Here's the brutal reality. Without knowing these secrets, your Mercedes isn't going to live up to its legendary reputation. It will degrade, lose value, and eventually become just another car on the road, not the masterpiece you paid for. The manufacturers don't want you to know all this because they profit when you keep fixing things that could have been avoided. But you're not most owners. You're here because you want to protect your investment. You want your Mercedes-Benz to perform like the machine it was built, to be smooth, powerful, and enduring, year after year, decade after decade. Today, I'm going to reveal 10 secrets that will transform how you care for your Mercedes. Secrets so simple, yet so overlooked, that missing even one could cost you thousands, even the life of your car. And trust me, secret number 2? It's the one that 90% of owners get completely wrong, and it's quietly destroying their engines as we speak. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to keep your Mercedes running, you'll know how to make it last a lifetime. This is the knowledge every true Mercedes owner deserves. So, buckle up. Your car's future depends on it. Secret number 1. Use only genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. You might think a part is just a part, but with a Mercedes, every component is engineered to perfection. Cheap knockoffs or generic parts don't just fit badly, they disrupt the precision balance of your car. Using fake or third-party parts is like putting plastic cogs in a Swiss watch. Eventually, the whole mechanism fails. Genuine parts maintain performance, prevent hidden damage, and keep your car's systems communicating flawlessly. Don't save a few bucks now and lose thousands later. Trust me, Mercedes doesn't compromise on quality, and neither should you. Secret number 2, the oil change myth. It's not just about frequency. Here's the secret 90% of owners get wrong. It's not how often you change your oil, but the TYPE of oil and the timing that saves your engine. Mercedes engines require specific synthetic oils designed for their unique metallurgy and high-performance tolerances. Using the wrong oil breaks down lubrication, accelerates wear, and clogs critical passages. Plus, the standard interval is a guideline, not a rule. Harsh driving, extreme weather, or frequent short trips demand earlier changes. Ignoring this turns your engine into a ticking time bomb. Get it right, and your engine will purr for decades. Secret number 3. Don't just follow the service schedule, understand it. The service schedule in your manual is made for average use, but your Mercedes is unique. High-speed driving, urban stop-and-go traffic, or mountainous roads put extra strain on parts like brakes, suspension, and transmission. If you blindly follow the schedule without adjusting for your lifestyle, you're inviting premature wear. Pay attention to how your car feels and sounds, and consult a Mercedes-certified mechanic who knows these nuances. This proactive care keeps small problems from snowballing into costly repairs. Secret number 4. Protect the electronics. Moisture is your enemy. Modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles are packed with sensitive electronics controlling everything from engine timing to safety features. Moisture and condensation inside the car or engine bay cause corrosion and short circuits that silently damage these systems. Simple things like parking in covered areas, fixing leaking door seals, and regular checks can stop electrical failures. Don't wait until your dashboard lights up with errors. Protecting your car's brain is just as important as protecting its body. Secret number 5. Don't ignore tire maintenance. It's about more than grip. You might think tires just keep you rolling, but for a Mercedes, they're critical for handling, fuel efficiency, and even suspension health. Incorrect tire pressure or uneven wear affects how your car drives and puts unnecessary stress on suspension components. Rotate your tires regularly, maintain recommended pressures, and invest in quality tires designed for Mercedes. Skimping on tires isn't just dangerous, it quietly wrecks your car's delicate balance and longevity. Secret number 6. Keep your transmission fluid fresh and clean. Your transmission is one of the most complex and expensive components in your Mercedes. Transmission fluid lubricates, cools, and powers this system. Over time, fluid degrades, accumulates dirt, and loses its effectiveness. Many owners ignore this until it's too late. Flushing and replacing transmission fluid at proper intervals can prevent slipping, rough shifts, or full transmission failure. Think of it like blood in your car's veins. Dirty blood means your engine can't perform optimally. Secret number 7. Regularly inspect and replace belts and hoses. Belts and hoses might seem minor, but they keep your engine running smoothly and your cooling system working perfectly. Cracks, leaks, or worn-out belts cause overheating, engine stalling, or sudden breakdowns. Mercedes engines work at very precise temperatures and pressures. A small failure here can lead to massive damage. Schedule inspections every few months and replace these parts at the first sign of wear. Don't let something small end your Mercedes life prematurely. Secret number 8. Wash and wax. Like a ritual, not an option. The exterior isn't just about looks. Your car's paint and bodywork protect it from rust and corrosion, the silent killers of any vehicle's lifespan. Regular washing removes dirt, salt, and chemicals that eat away at metal. Waxing creates a shield that defends your investment from weather and road grime. A neglected exterior means rust will start below the surface, spreading unnoticed until it's expensive to fix. Treat your Mercedes like a luxury watch, clean and protected every single week. Secret number 9. Never ignore strange noises or warning lights. You're not just any driver, you're a Mercedes owner. Your car is a finely tuned machine that talks to you through sounds, vibrations, and dashboard alerts. Ignoring these signs is like ignoring your body's pain signals. Address noises or lights immediately by consulting a professional, preferably a Mercedes specialist. Early diagnosis saves you from massive repairs and keeps your car in peak condition. Remember, silence isn't always golden in car care. Listening is. Secret number 10. Store your Mercedes properly when not in use. If you don't drive your Mercedes every day, improper storage can kill it slowly. Battery drainage, tire flat spots, fuel degradation, and moisture buildup all happen when a car sits unused. Store your car in a dry, climate-controlled environment if possible. Use a quality battery maintainer and keep tires inflated. Taking these simple precautions preserves every mechanical and electronic system, ensuring your Mercedes is ready to roar whenever you are. So, now that you know these 10 secrets, tell me, how many of these have you been following? Be honest. Because the truth is, most Mercedes owners are unknowingly sabotaging their own cars every single day. But you're different. You're here, learning the real way to make your Mercedes last a lifetime. I want to hear from you which secret shocked you the most. Was it secret number 2 about the oil? Or maybe the importance of genuine parts in secret number 1? Drop your thoughts below, and don't just say great video. I want to know what you really think. Have you ever had a costly mistake because you missed one of these secrets? Or maybe you have your own hidden tips to share? This isn't just a video, it's a wake-up call. Your Mercedes is more than a car. It's a statement, a legacy, and a beast that demands respect. So, what will you do differently starting today? Will you finally treat your car like the masterpiece it is, or risk watching it fall apart piece by piece? Also, if you want me to dig even deeper, maybe a full guide on maintenance hacks nobody tells you, or how to spot fake parts instantly, let me know. Your Mercedes deserves the best, and I'm here to make sure you get it. Don't forget, this channel is your secret weapon to outsmart the system that wants you to spend more and get less. Hit that like button if you found this useful, subscribe for more insider secrets, and share this video with every Mercedes owner you know, because knowledge like this changes everything. Now, I'm waiting. Comment below what's your biggest Mercedes care mistake or success story. The best comment gets a shout out in the next video. Let's start a conversation that your car's future will thank you for. Remember, it's not just about owning a Mercedes. It's about owning it forever.